Hello everyone. The topic of today's video is human resource management. Today I am going to talk about meaning of human resource as well as human resource management, its definitions, functions and importance. The term human resource was first introduced in the 1960s. Human resource is used to describe both the people who work for a company or organization and the departments responsible for managing resources related to employees. However, human resource management is an umbrella term used to describe formal systems designed to manage and develop employees within an organization. It is also called personnel management or talent management. In other words, human resource management is a management function concerned with hiring, motivating, and maintaining workforce in an organization. Human resource management deals with issues related to employees such as hiring, training, development, compensation, motivation, communication, and administration. It involves overseeing all things related to managing an organization's human capital. The purpose of human resource management is to maximize the productivity of an organization. It ensures satisfaction of employees and maximum contribution of employees to the achievement of organizational objectives. A human resource manager is responsible for staffing, employee compensation and benefits, and defining work. There are various definitions of human resource management given by different authors. According to Armstrong, human resource management can be defined as a strategic approach to acquiring, developing, managing, motivating, and gaining the commitment of the organizational key resources, that is, the people who work in and for it. According to Filippo, human resource management is the planning, organizing, directing, and controlling of procurement, development, compensation, integration, maintenance, and reproduction of human resources to the end that individual, organizational, and societal objectives are accomplished. Mathis and Jackson defines human resource management is the effective use of human resources and organization through the management of people-related activities. According to Ricky Griffin, human resource management is the set of organizational activities directed at attracting, developing, and maintaining an effective workforce. Dale Yoder states human resource management is the provision of leadership and direction of people in their working and employment relationship. For most organizations, agencies, and businesses, the human resource department or management have following functions. First function is to manage job recruitment, selection, and promotion of employees. Second function is to develop and oversee employees' benefits and wellness programs. Third function is to develop, promote, and enforce personnel policies. Fourth function is to promote employees' career development and job training. Next function is to provide orientation programs for new hires. Another function is to provide guidance regarding disciplinary actions to the employees. And the last function is to serve as a primary contact for work site injuries or accidents. Human resource management have following importance or advantages. First importance is that it helps in selection of right people for the right job. Second importance is that it helps in providing fair and effective wages and salaries to the employees. Its third importance is that it develops an effective monitoring evaluating system. Its fourth importance is that it works for the compensation of employees, and its last importance is that it establishes healthy and respectful relations with trade unions. Thank you.